Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom sized grommets in MeshMixer using my file. Okay, first thing you want to do is measure all these. So we'll start with downstem size. Mainly the ones that I print, they come in 18 mil. So this one has to be a little smaller than that, of course, to get a good grip and a good seal. So I'll go 17. I usually go about 0.4 millimeters over or under. So this one will be 17.6. And for that, I'll turn on uniform scaling. Control Z real quick. Check that. 17.6. Accept. Okay. And the next thing we'll do, if you want to, you can shorten this. It'll make it easier to work with, but also less material to grip. So if you're going for like a sleek design, you'll probably want to shrink that. Then uniform scaling might not be the best idea unless you're doing this. I'll just leave it how it is. Okay. The next thing is the hole thickness. This is the size of the cut you did. Normally mine come out to about 20 millimeters. I want this one bigger, like significantly. So I'll go 21, just so I get a good seal on that. Alright. Then the next thing we need to measure is the glass. This is how thick the glass actually is, top to bottom. Normally I find it ranges anywhere from 2 to 4 millimeters. 4 you'll find mainly on like the necks of bottles, because that's where the thickest glass is. But for me, I normally go 2 to 2.5. And of course, I'll turn off uniform scaling. Go 2.5, maybe 2. And of course you want this one smaller than the actual glass thickness, or really close to it, in order to get a good squish on it. Alrighty, now that those are all settled in, we'll click our grommet. I'm going to hide the hole by pressing the I. Okay, so we'll click the grommet, shift click the downstem, go to edit, and then go down to Boolean difference. Alrighty, and with that, I normally uncheck auto reduce because that'll mess up your edges sometimes. Use intersection curves, and if you want, you could bring the target edge scale down. That'll create a smaller mesh around the edge so you get a cleaner one. Alright, with that done, I'll bring back the hole and then select the glass, shift click the hole, Boolean difference. I'll go back just so you can see it. Hide the grommet. Alrighty. Boolean difference, and here you can see we can't actually do that one. So what you do is just change some settings, auto reduce off, use intersection curves, sometimes handle coplanarity, and then just bring the target edge scale down. And as you can see, it's already improving. And if we leave auto reduce on, when we hit accept, our seal right here will actually be kind of crooked in places. So I'll go back. That's why I leave auto reduce off, because now we get a good deal. I'll bring the grommet back, shift click the glass, Boolean difference that. Same thing, you can mess with these settings. I normally just auto reduce off, intersection, and then it'll work for that. Of course we have a little mess up here. And that's not working. Great. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, and that's about it. When you export this, go to File, Export, Control E. When you export it, it's already in the orientation you should print it in. The top part here is the one that inserts into the glass. It's angled so it's easier to install. But that's about it. Yeah. Of course, if this fixes your bong, it better. it better, or else I'm gonna be very disappointed. But if it does, give this video a like. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Next video will definitely be how to cut glass, which is pretty cool. Anyways, until then, I'll see you guys later.